In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Odoo. Whether you're dealing with a regional difference in date representation or simply have a preference for a specific format, adjusting the date structure in Odoo can help streamline operations and enhance clarity. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is enable developer mode. This is a crucial step, as it opens up additional settings and features that aren't normally visible in regular user mode. So, head on over to the Settings section within your Odoo interface. If you're wondering where exactly to find this option, it's typically located in the main dashboard panel. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you come across an option labeled Activate Developer Mode. Clicking this will enable some advanced configuration options. Alternatively, if you prefer using URLs, you can simply add $debug equals 1 to the end of your current URL to achieve the same result. This is handy if you're familiar with web address editing. With developer mode now enabled, we can proceed to the next step, which involves actually changing the date format. To do so, you'll want to navigate back to the Settings menu, but this time, focus on the Translations category to gear up for language-specific adjustments. Under Translations, you'll see a subsection labeled Languages. This section is where you can specify the nuances of different languages, including how dates are structured. Once you've clicked into Languages, a list of supported languages will appear. From here, select the language you're currently using, such as English, US, for instance. This will bring up a detailed page where you can adjust various language-related settings. Pay special attention to the field labeled Date Format. This is where you'll make your changes to the date presentation. Now, let's talk about the format codes you'll be using. These are similar to coding shorthand and dictate how the date is presented. For instance, %y represents the year, %m stands for the month, and %d pertains to the day. The default format you might see is month, day, or year, or %m, %y. If you prefer to switch it up to a more customary day/month, year format, you can do so by changing the sequence in this field to %m/y. Depending on the version of Odoo you're using, you might also opt for removing the slashes and go with %d, %m, %i format instead. Once you've made your desired changes to the date format field, it's crucial to save your work. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save to ensure that all the adjustments you've made take effect. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully changed the date format in Odoo. By tailoring this setting to your preference or regional specifications, you enhance the clarity and alignment of your operational data, making collaboration and comprehension that much smoother. Thanks for joining me today, and I trust you'll find this guide helpful as you navigate Odoo's many features.